We all love to eat, but not too many of us love, the cleanup detail. That's why one-pot meals are favorites for everybody. I mean, they're jam-packed with our meats and go-alongs all in one. And when it's time to do the dishes, there's a lot less complaining. Well, watch how easy. In a large soup pot, over a medium-high heat, we bring to a boil a 3 to 3.5 pound chicken that's been cut up into 8 pieces, 6 cups of water, 2 15-ounce cans of tomato sauce, a finely chopped large onion, a teaspoon of dried thyme, a tablespoon of salt, and a teaspoon of pepper. Now we boil it for about 30 minutes or so. Then we add 2 cups of long grain or whole grain rice. And we simmer it 25 or 30 more minutes till the rice is tender and the chicken is cooked through. If you're waiting for more, it's done. I mean, is that easy enough? We simply serve it up that way. Or to give us our 5 a day, we can mix in a package of frozen veggies while it's cooking. And then have we got a complete, hearty, comfortable meal all in one? You betcha. And if you'd like the recipe, you just send a self-addressed stamped envelope marked Country Chicken and Rice to me, Mr. Food, right here at the station. Or look for it online for the surest way to have them cleaning their plates without anybody having to clean a sink full of pots and pans. So everybody's happy, everybody's satisfied, and everybody has a reason to say, ooh, it's so good.